Hello everyone. Today we are going to take a quick look at the official Dollywood app. We always have our phones with us, so I strongly recommend downloading the official Dollywood app on your smartphone. The reason why I recommend using this app is to help you plan and make the most of your time at Dollywood. My advice is to already have this app downloaded and become familiar with it way in advance of going to Dollywood. Let me say this too, as with any app, it gets updated and changed, but I think the basics will pretty much stay the same, although the look occasionally changes. Let's start with the home screen. On the home screen, you see some changes to the look from previous years. But at a glance, as you can see, you're able to find the information that you want most, including your linked account for your tickets or passes, the list that you can customize, schedules, current promotions, and events. At the bottom are quick buttons to go to your account or schedules, for example. I should note too that this app not only has the information for the theme park, but also Splash Country and the resorts. I like the list features because you can create multiple lists for different purposes. You can make a list for a certain festival that you are going to attend, of like must-dos that you want to do, or you can make lists for multiple people in your party. Basically, customize these any way you want. And when you see a ride or an attraction or a dining or something that you want to add to your list, just hit the heart button and put it in whatever list you want. You will see the My Dollywood account integration section. For the purposes of this video, I am not logged into my account, but I want to mention that it is in this section that you can link your day tickets, your season passes, bring a friend tickets, your add-ons, and more for quick access. For your passes or tickets, you can use the app or your phone's digital wallet that you now can use to enter the park. Now, one of my favorite features of the app is that it shows you up-to-date hours of the park and schedules, like for the shows. It's perfect for when you are in the park. And the Maps section is pretty cool to use to navigate around the park, especially if you are not that familiar with Dollywood or never been here before. But let's say you want the best way to get to a certain ride or a particular restaurant or a certain theater or a shop, then this feature will be great for you. You can even click on the destination and look up more information about it, say like the restaurant's menu. Again, this is something I would play around with and develop an approach ahead of time to best utilize the time while at the park. The map feature is a great tool to use to plan your routes ahead of time. I know I've mentioned the shows in a lot of my videos. The app provides detailed information about the shows to help you plan what you want to see and when. You can get an idea of what type of show it is with a basic description, what time it starts and how long it lasts, and also where it is located in the park. I always don't miss the shows, and I personally think you should see at least one every time you go. What's a theme park without the rides, right? I really like this feature that gives detailed information about all the rides and attractions too. So you can see if this ride is a fit for your family, like knowing ahead of time if your little one will be able to ride a particular ride or not due to height requirements, for example. You're able to see what type of ride it is in a brief description. You can even set wait time alerts. And the app will even find similar rides or attractions and recommend those. Now, once you are in the park, the estimated wait time for the rides becomes available. Well, I hope this video helps you, or at least encourages you, to become familiar with the Dollywood app, because I strongly believe that the more you can make an itinerary of some sort of the things that you absolutely want to do, the more successful the visit will be. You really can plan your day with your fingertips. But let me caution you, it's tempting to plan on doing too much. Make sure to leave in plenty of wiggle room and not try to do too much in one day. So get in that app and play around with it so you are comfortable using it. And let me know what your favorite feature on the app is. Thank you so much for watching and supporting us. I love y'all. Make a great journey.